Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having more edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to this channel, Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, do your own personal research before you can go, or you should practice and perfect your trading skill very well on your demo account before you can go live with it. Okay, so this is very important. Okay guys, let's go straight into what we have. Right, if you are joining me for the first time, feel free to subscribe to this channel. It will help you a lot. And of course guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are using this video. Okay, if you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so boom 1000, let's move on to the charts. Okay, this is boom 1000. We're on 5-minute time frame. This had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend for some days now, and of course each time at each stage we always have a deep pullback, just the way we had around here. But if you should notice, we had another higher high here, so we also had another deep pullback here, and this time around we also had another higher high here. Okay, we actually thought there will be a change in the direction of the market around here, but later on it pulled up to break out above the resistance zone, which gave us another higher high. Okay, so, and of course definitely it's also going to sell more. Okay, so at this period this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buyer, or than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It's been on a very strong uptrend, just the way we've seen it, and of course it started from this support zone, and of course it kept on going up and up and broke out from this resistance zone, and it is at this region. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1k. That is crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It came down from this resistance zone till it got to this support zone and ranged around there for a while, but broke out above the resistance zone and kept on buying. Okay, so it broke out from this particular resistance zone and it bought for a very long time. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It had been on downtrend right from here, and you can see it kept on going down and down and down till it got to this range. Okay, so this is more of a it has not been able to break out from this support zone, so it started a buy trend, and of course might be buying for a very long time. So this will be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75. This is V75, that is volatility 75, has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, just where we're saying it. This has been going up and up, and of course after getting to this resistance zone it had a major pullback, went back up again, tried it out 2 times, was unable to break out above the resistance zone. So there is no doubt about it, this will sell for a very long time. So this is giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. So guys, thank you for joining me with tonight's analysis. Take your time to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.